clean up these mats with the new Detail Demon Air+Vac Tool for the Tornador Mini. Okay, so for those who haven't seen this tool yet, this is exactly what it sounds like. It is an air and vacuum together attachment for the Tornador Mini. All you gotta do, metal threads here, put it in your Tornador Mini, screw it in. Got a rubber O-ring on there that comes with this tool. Nice and tight. Next step, 1 1/4 inch vacuum attachment into the bottom right here. Add your air, good to go. So when using this attachment specifically, the best thing in my opinion is the fact that you can switch on and off between both the air and the vacuum functions. The plus is that you can also use both of those together, which does help get a deeper clean, especially in carpet mats like this. So I'll show both of those functions working together, but also show a little bit of how easy it is to just switch between steps, which is my favorite thing about this tool. So that was mat number 1. As you can see, like the transitions between using the air and vac separately and then together, using this just as a vacuum attachment as well. It's nice. Now, like I said, this is for the Tornador Mini, so you will need a Tornador Mini. Now, sneak peek, follow along with us because we are making them for other things in the process though. Make sure you follow along for updates on new tools. But yeah, let's get this mat done, get out of here. So that was a quick demo with the Detail Demon Air+Vac Tool for the Tornador Mini. Now you will need a Tornador Mini. This does not come with this tool or the Air Pulse tool, which you can look at in a different video. Both this and the Air Pulse tool are available on Amazon and eBay in a pack together. We are doing a sale on these right now, so if you want one, go grab one. And like I said, things like that are coming in the future. Let us know in the comments questions about this tool specifically, our other tool, the Air Pulse tool, or maybe what hookup you have and what you'd like to see in the future. So thanks for watching, follow along, and we'll see you in the next one.